Alright, ladies and gents, here it is, my Fuji Wendigo fat tire, fat bike build. This build started off originally as just the frame, the fork, and the rim hoops. Everything else had to be sourced out, and as you can imagine in these times, it was dang near impossible. It took a little bit longer than I wanted, but once all the parts finally came in, we got after the build. There was a little bit of trial and error with getting the right adapters and the right tools for the job, but once we had everything we needed, it went together smoothly. There isn't anything that I would change about this build. I'm so excited that it's finally done. Can't wait to go ride it. Can't wait to see you guys out there. It's always a good day to be alive, so go out and live it. Peace.